Earning a lot of money and being wealthy is important for many people, but there are also those who want to refrain from that and live a life without waste and abundance. And the best way to do that is with a minimalist lifestyle. Hello and welcome to the Business Class, your YouTube channel, where you learn all about the topic money. Although money and wealth are not everything, you barely get anywhere without in our modern-day society. Seemingly everyone nowadays wants to be rich, famous and live a life in wealth, but of course not everyone will manage to do so. However, if you are determined, focused and working hard, you will be able to achieve your goals. So do no longer waste your potential, do no longer wait for your luck to happen from alone. Improve yourself every single day and you will soon start to see the fruits of your success. With my videos, I want to provide you with motivation, knowledge and inspiration, so that you can reach your goals as fast as possible and make the best out of your life. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to not miss a single video. Also write a comment with your suggestions and wishes, which content you would like to see more often. And now let's start. Living a minimalist life. Minimalism is a lifestyle that is becoming increasingly popular. The idea is that you can do more with less. Minimalism is a way for us to live a happier and more contented life in a simple way. Minimalism is a way to simplify our lives and create more time and space for the things that are important to us. It helps us to focus on what is essential and encourages us to own less. It is about ridding ourselves of superfluous things in order to place more value on the things that make life worth living. We can apply minimalism to areas. For example, we can take care of our material goods and focus on owning only the things we really need and give ourselves the freedom to stop worrying about things we don't really need. We can also apply minimalism to our daily activities by focusing on spending more time with our families and friends, engaging with things that really interest us, and allowing ourselves more time to relax and enjoy ourselves. Minimalism can also help us achieve financial success. When we focus on the essentials, we save a lot of money. We don't have to spend more money on things we don't really need and can use our savings for goals and dreams that are really important to us. In addition, minimalism helps us to focus and achieve goals. When we focus on what is important, we can concentrate better on our goals and use our energy more effectively. We can focus more on the things that really matter to us. Minimalism can also help us feel better about ourselves. When we own less, we feel less burdened and have more freedom. We are no longer so tied to our possessions and can focus more on getting to know ourselves better and connecting with others. Minimalism is a way we can make our lives simpler and happier. It helps us feel better about ourselves, improve our financial lives and focus on what is important to achieve goals. When we apply minimalism, we can live a more satisfied and fulfilled life. A little hint for you: if the content of the video is important to you and you want to benefit from it in the future, you can easily save the video to your playlist or click on Watch Later, so that you can watch it again at any time you want. Or, if you don't watch this video as a logged-in member, just save the video as a bookmark in your browser, to always have easy access to it. 1. Live minimalist. Just walk for a change. As convenient as it may be, leave your car behind and don't get on the underground. If possible, resolve to walk to work, to the shops or to an appointment at least one day a week. Why? If you walk, you don't have to worry about traffic or overcrowded trains, you don't need fuel or electricity, and you can focus entirely on yourself and your life. It doesn't get more minimalist than that. 2. Ask yourself, do I really need this? This is not as banal as it may sound. After all, we all constantly buy things we don't really need just because they are cheap, available or in at the moment. But, loosely based on the Fight Club character Tyler Durden, the things we own, one day own us. Because we care about them, have to deal with them, take care of them. If you want to live more simply, you simply don't buy anything. 3. Cook yourself with fresh ingredients. Ready-made and semi-prepared meals are anything but minimalist. They are full of additives, which are listed as E numbers on the list of ingredients, for example. Real food doesn't need that. That's why it's better to cook yourself, with fresh, simple ingredients from the region, with time, leisure and peace. It's better for you and the planet, and good food makes you happy. Just like a minimalist life. 4. Eat less meat. The cheap prices in the discounters make us forget it, but meat is actually a luxury product. Here, too, it is better to eat less, but organic meat and thus better quality. Those who act in this way save money, effort and can open up completely new perspectives. And doesn't the thought that no animal has to die for you also make you happy somehow? It is not for nothing that many well-known minimalists live a meatless life. 5. Grow your own food. Even on the smallest balcony or windowsill you can grow some vegetables or herbs. The resulting food is free of additives, packaging and does not require long transport routes, and you eat what is growing. And even if it's just sprouts or a few tomatoes, eating your own food makes you happy and quite proud. 6. Minimalist and relaxed. Get out of the city. This is especially true for city dwellers. Escape the city and everyday life every now and then and spend a weekend outside. And not in the opulence of a luxury hotel. At the lake, in the mountains, in a mountain hut or in a tent, far away from everything. The peace, simplicity and closeness to nature is good for you and helps you to find peace. And this experience gives you a small impression of what a truly minimalist life could look like. 7. Drink more tap water. If you're still carrying bottles, even though the only drink that's really essential for survival comes out of the tap at home, it's your own fault. Just stop drinking expensive drinks in plastic bottles and drink tap water. It saves money and makes your life a little bit easier. 8. Just switch off. The TV is on standby, the tumble dryer is running, the smartphone is charging and all the lights are on. Just switch off. Consciously saving energy is not only minimalist, but in times of energy crisis it is also solidarity-based and economical. And it makes you happy, if not immediately, then at the latest when the electricity bill comes. You can also set up your PC or laptop in a minimalist way. 9. Living minimally means repairing things. Living minimally doesn't just mean getting by with just a few things, but also using things for as long as possible. Try to repair things yourself the next time something breaks. It's often much easier than you think, but it gives us a whole new appreciation for everyday objects and skills. You can find help in repair cafes, for example. 10. Clean out your wardrobe. Bet you'll find pieces you haven't worn in ages and probably won't wear again. You don't have to reduce your wardrobe to a handful of items like some minimalism pros capsule wardrobe. But simply doing a radical clean out, without restocking your wardrobe afterwards, is very liberating. And a step on the way to a simpler life. The less you have hanging in your wardrobe, the less time you have to spend in the morning wondering what to wear, and the more time you have for more important things. 11. Buy packaging free. Less packaging means less waste, in other words, less superfluous stuff. And less time wasted unpacking, disposing, etc. Of course, this doesn't always work everywhere, but at weekly markets or in unpackaged shops, for example, shopping is also possible without plastic waste. 12. Take time for yourself to live mindfully and minimally. Living minimally also means not always having to strive for entertainment and company. Take more time for yourself and for things that are good for you. Do yoga, go for a walk or simply do absolutely nothing. Everyone finds relaxation and peace in their own way. The important thing is not how, but that you find peace now and then. If you can't manage it any other way, schedule fixed times for it. 1 or 2 hours a week for you alone are definitely possible. And if one day, you want to build up your own business or you have one already and want it to grow much bigger and faster, always have in mind that starting a successful business and earning money takes time. You need perseverance and a lot of stamina. It's like you growing a small plant right from the seed. You never know how fast it will grow, how tall it will get and how many fruits you will be able to collect. It is the same with every business, some work great, some flop and some could become very successful. But people way too often resign much too early. So follow my advices, try out different methods and sooner or later, you will find the one that suits you the most, that fits best to your skills and knowledge and you will have a well-earning business. No matter if you want to make money online, by affiliate marketing, drop shipping or even stocks, everything is possible. And even though growing a business and making money can sometimes be a lengthy and tedious issue, it's all worth it at the end. Just stay focused to your goals, work smart and hard, spend your time and resources effectively, be persistent, and sooner or later, you will have success. You will reach your goals and earn enough money to live the life you ever dreamed of. I hope this video was helpful for you and I was able to impart knowledge to you, give you new ideas, or simply inspire and motivate you to change your life in a positive way. If so, please leave a like and write me your opinion and content requests in the comments. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to not miss a single video. Thank you very much for your interest and especially for your time. And hopefully, we see us in the next business meeting.